Our project is the effects of dangerous toxins in the Chesapeake Bay on population changes of copepods.
The Chesapeake Bay is one of the most productive and diverse estuaries and is facing major pollution risks. Our aim is to discern how toxins affect copepods and survival.
Our research question is, how do the different toxins, pesticides, and personal care products affect copepod survival in the Chesapeake Bay?
Because malathion affects motion and survival of microorganisms, we predicted that this group would have the lowest survival rate in comparison to the control. We used instant ocean and spring water to create our culture water. The copepods were fed every 2 days with live phytoplankton. From there, they were transported into a 4x6 dish for testing via pipette. For testing, there were 3 trials for each experimental group. The first group was a control group, which consisted of the plain culture water. The second group was a malathion group with a concentration of 3.4 parts per million, which we achieved through 2 serial dilutions from the 50% malathion. The third group was the acetaminophen group with a concentration of 0.5 micrograms per liter, which we achieved through 7 serial dilutions. Our results proved our hypothesis that malathion had the most detrimental effect. In all 3 trials, the copepod and the control group survived. The malathion group, 1 out of 3 copepods survived, and in the acetaminophen group, 2 out of 3 copepods survived. For both groups of toxins in comparison to the control, the p-value was less than 0.05, showing its statistical significance. This means that the control group had normal functionality and 100% survival. The pesticide group had 33% survival, and the personal care product group had 66% survival. These results of the death of copepods affect ecological stability of the Chesapeake Bay and communities around it. In conclusion, our hypothesis was correct that malathion had the worst effect on copepod survival. These pollutants disrupt the natural balance and impact the production that stems from the Chesapeake Bay. Here are references. Thank you.